Hello, my KXers, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment. Follow me on all socials at _Kimberly.o_ and let's get straight into the vlog. Chat, the shop is coming along perfectly fine. This is the hairstyle change, so that means that it's been a while since I took up the camera. Fun fact, I lost my camera. Which way I find the camera, mommy? Underneath my bed. Underneath my bed. I not even realize I lost the camera because I was so caught up with like getting the place ready and thing. I'll give you guys an update soon about the place. However, we're at New Budget. They did have a Labor Day sale and I saw a door that I like. So we're gonna go ahead and see what the doors are giving. Of course, call the man we're gonna put on the door because I'm telling him to ask some question. Like these days when they talk to me, I'm just going on notes and write out. So I have the notes and everything with him. So I'm supposed to ask before I purchase the door. The door them make the slot exact. So let's go in budget. So the door option them here, child. May I try find the one over the actually say online that I liked. It's like it have this look like me the run at the back, yeah. But did I think about this? Like yeah, I was thinking about it, but then I feel like say it wouldn't make the space look as bougie. So the vibe I'm going for is like a boho vibe, like I'm telling you. So me not think about the folding door, yes, but I feel like it would give me the bougie vibe what I look for. The folding one. I'm on how? 19,000. Oh, but at this, me did have to buy the 30 by 32 by 8 to 24. See them then? Why? It not really grab me. You know, this is something it's like, oh my god, more on this. It not grab me. Somebody actually message one of them. Someone know if it's a case that it's out of stock. I'm gonna ask another here, me and my boyfriend now. Hey baby, are you busy today? Mr. My boyfriend, me gonna call my boyfriend. My dad the place to the door. My dad budget. Can I still pay for it and you pick it up for me tomorrow? Okay, thank you so much, my boyfriend. Okay, like them wall pioneer, but I probably just use two alone. Around at the back area because I got create content around this too. I like that one here. And this nobody either. I took a picture. Probably get 3 and put around at the back. Come rewind. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're laughing, if you make you mad. I paid for my stuff and a lot of testimony. I'm gonna start post about the little ear them or something. I'm gonna look post them on IG, right? When it's about being an unbox the ear them, I don't know. The longest a ear ever stay upon me, I'm gonna say to God, do me a beg you. Make the ear sell so I can buy the time they want paint for the shop. But the paint will work out itself differently already. So I'm gonna say, God, please make the ear sell so I can buy paint for the shop and start paint. God bless me. I can buy the door, the filler. And what else? The inches. The inches. No, we don't buy the inches. The door, the filler, and something else we buy in there. So, and the money come up to $17,947. And how much is the ear? $18,000. The person that bought the ear. And then the hottest thing, you know, who took the ear? One girl I know from primary school, and that girl left. I'm gonna tell you, so go church, religious. Like everything does, it does. And one thing for sure is telling him, no question God. As I have to tell him, big up. And then a while ago, me in a budget, I'm just call me and tell me, say, TEMU, when I'm supposed to get a package from Saturday, she just still and she hear somebody call my name. The time you come in my order. So I'm going to have an unboxing, because those are things for this. God is good. All the time. We're going to go to Fields and go do the refund here. We're going to try and get like painting brush and them some of the. We know say King Charles drop that. So some of the things I'm for buy, so I'm going to try to secure them. Guys, we're inside Fields. We're going to return the basin. So far, I hope the return isn't necessarily on just the basin thing. Hopefully we can get paint or paintbrush with the return. Process is easy so far. Not gonna lie. I said, child, I returned to something the other day. They don't know washing the clothes in there. I said, lady, plumber, just put it on the wall. And she said, it cannot work. But she said, sure, to wash clothes. But as if I said, lady, I joke with me. But because it's the lady, my neighbor wash. And the man of you said, it's not serious. Yeah, but when somebody can want to tell you after the music. One Rebecca, one there's them have paint. Mommy that time I said them sell paint and me I tell her so no go say no. Just say no, Kimmy. Listen to the elders. Delores don't talk straight. Chrissy come in quick and fast. They know she not talk straight. Chrissy not say nothing. Come in by me not talk straight. Another first. Guys, she don't talk straight, eh? It's for the bone white. Help me look for the... No, you can't go talk straight.
Yeah, so I have my glasses.
Yeah, I realize. You guys have bone white? Oh, I like cardboard. Cardboard not bad. I like cowboy boots. So I end up get this. Charles Paint. I rethinking the bone white. I like how the bone white look. So she give me a catalog. I think I must look for them in the natural lighting. I think we get the armband because the bone white isn't giving what it's supposed to give. It's like it's something pink. No, I don't think. I want something giving earth tone but soft at the same time because a gold and an earth tone color could be the vibe. But some rollers, we go ahead and cash out these two. We cash out everything else and then we go home and I show you guys what I got from TEMU. Well, huh? Don't irritate me. Oh, this is why I'm gonna shoot when they're gonna. Oh, this is why I'm gonna shoot in my house.
Cause more.
Them not stop. See, they Lord stop. As I got my TEMU.
Mr. Chat, me hear the man voice. Hello. Hello.
I'm not sure we leave.
So, Mr. You know what I mean to do my camera on, you know. So, me have to turn off my camera quickly because my friend message Jesus wept. The people them come back with Dolores.
Oh, me never tell her no. Them chief Dolores boy.
We're not laughing. Not laughing. We just saying it happened. Chat. Me say look how them outside about them come out with your gate with the phone. Me get up. I have the camera on and me look mad. And I know say you know me go to the meeting and have on the camera. It would be nice. Guys, take my foolish advice. When you're on a meeting and you see the business head of one them camera, turn on your camera. Don't make them up and ask you. Turn on your camera. So I'm quickly tea for my sister, band, put on mousse on top of my head, put in one earring, one chain.
I'm
fling up what work.
No, honestly, why my
Fling
class
on work top over this. Because I'm not catch me slipping. Anyways, up and open this. Come on, see. Just bust it up now.
I want to show no how TEMU do it. Them put how much the item value, 7,300 and something like that. Though big, though piss me off, they expect a box. Like, I'm afraid I TEMU. It's my feel like I'm open and close sign. No one eat. If I eat, I can go something. Hey, everybody. But one later, one alone come. I told myself and something.
This is so...
Cute for the shop. Two. I'm afraid I tell you.
A different size?
No, the same thing.
But them separate.
No.
Oh no.
Different.
You know, so tell me you need for go. But I know why after I realized I pink my select, which is crazy. Cause not about the shop. And not even that, not about the shop no pink.
That's okay.
Not about the shop no pink. Girl, I want after
you want to be ambassador?
No.
They need to sign up right now.
Then they reach out to me, I'ma beg them too much money so they not answer me back.
Oh, don't put that in there.
That's cute.
This is stuff honest. I'm gonna put it on the swing door. I wanted cream. When I come with the urban cash, I never realized say a pink. It's cute. But me go put the some of them for everything. Even though TEMU now give me the money. I hope them see every day and say, here girl. You know, so the bag never looks so little from TEMU. This is if somebody either want like a soap, one little.
One
One or two items can one of these.
Just to start by over there regular.
Oh. This
nice.
can all a shampoo and conditioner.
Yeah, I like that.
But it buy some look about to in at the meantime. I'm gonna show you the picture. Which one my cellular device? I'm showing you the size at the back to my bed TEMU.
Give me a time I'm serious.
It's the first time I shop with
You don't read
TEMU.
description, you just put things.
No, like I was reading it and thing. I was. See the box here?
Another box that come Kimberly.
Chat.
Kimberly!
See the box here?
Give me a put a box together. Take time with them.
No, mommy, I 10 bucks in there.
Hold on, man just know for package stick properly, say look smart.
Don't cry, Kimmy, don't cry. That can't hold 6 soap.
My grandson in the home.
You can't hold 6 soap. 6 soap. You can't hold 6 soap.
Mommy, this mommy hold 4 months. TEMU. I catch you, TEMU.
Give me a bust of a next box. I'm saying I want sample size. That's sample for things like this.
Okay, this is the expect this to be this size. These are some thank you stuff more that I put by the package. Thank you.
That's cute.
For your order. Oh, this cute.
What
This
is that?
cute. Wait, close your eyes, guys.
Push out open.
Don't
Why
provoke
you
me
still
don't
so-
provoke me to rant.
But then I close my eyes and
It's cute.
the color is nice.
TEMU.
Yes, that's nice.
So I'm gonna put this on the shop door. I'm a friend.
So them were
Graphic designer, cutesy girl Jade did mine.
Jade never forced her to do that one. And I was saying, I was forced.
For you, I wasn't forced
Yeah.
them. I was, guys. I promise you. This is Future Kim editing. I was forced them. Tell me it's a Aramis. Simple.
Read the instruction, guys. I want it.
You get one ink, guys, because I said me that I get the crafted box.
Don't touch it. You're gonna ruin your finger and your nails.
No, Chris, come at me stamp your fine.
Stamp your mouth.
Better come out from my hand without chat.
Go wash it off, Chris. It's nice. It's nice. It's
This
nice.
looks
Go wash
so
it off,
good. Alright, chat. Make me see where I'm going.
It's not so bad. It them just pack it well. Them pack it well.
Yeah.
It good. It good, Kimmy.
Sorry, TEMU.
Sorry.
What's the leg there?
Apologize to TEMU, Kimmy.
I am not sorry, TEMU.
That even half of my hand can't hold none of that.
Chrissy, this can probably
Put it
only
on
hold.
there.
It can't even hold an ear, Tariq. But that's my TEMU haul, guys. Let me know down in the comments if y'all like it. I'll go ahead and link the items. On a pick what makes sense. I want to make no sense in the door, grab them. I'm going to go to shop sometime this week and set up this because I actually need to go ahead and set up the spice rack, like the turmeric, the kojic, all of them good things there. I'm going to head to the Jimmy Gym. Yeah. Today's gonna be a big body day. I'm on the second day of my cycle. Do I want to go to the gym? No. But at the end of the day, a night. Literally.
I'm well dressed, ready for give me neck. Me not talk, kiss, so they don't cut.
Guys, I'm at the gym. Let's get this booty big.
What's your name? Can I get my grown man on for once? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z. Jay-Z. Excuse me, miss. What's your name? Can you come hang with me? Possibly. That's right. Can I take you out tonight? You already know what it's hitting for. I got whatever out.
As we sip champagne, watching purple rain, bodies in the same. How could you complain? Plus, I know you love my person.
Happy Wednesday, chat. They are ortho. If you watch your last vlog, you know how they are ortho. I do an examination, so I see it boom down. I do see my doctor car, you know, so I hope she's here. Because I just had to Speedy Gonzalez to Kingston from Whole Harbour from Portmore before 11. Life is magical, right? Right.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always, my mind, and it's always.
Shrats, it wasn't the wisdom teeth. Apparently, I don't love. Yo, my hilarious, you know, I have 8 cavity, like 9 cavity. So apparently the cavity I got down in like the root of the teeth, so that is why the doll is feeling pain. I mean, I have braces. But I gotta start them up. I say, Jesus Christ, every single day, money. You know, say, I should have saved money from in my mother belly. You made us save money them time, if you expect me that rich. I'm gonna go to Starbucks to get a drinky drink for Jade, because I'm gonna drop off something to her. So I'm gonna try to get one drinky drink for her and one for me. And then we'll go drop them off to her. And I do Knoxford. I have this little video that I want to do. You know the Michael Jackson. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, somebody do a little first clip for do a transition. Come on the post for the page and I go look a while. So I want to do one of those little funny videos. Yeah. Anyways, I go to Starbucks now, so let's go.
What's your name?
Hi, good day. That's fine. Can get the pink Deloche cheesecake from. Can get it in a grande and a princess from in grande as well. You can put JAIB LUV space though KIM. That's it.
Can I get my grown man on for once? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z. Jay-Z. Excuse me, miss. What's your name? Can you come?
I got the Starbies. First time ever going to the Starbucks and something new on the menu. I was like, okay, let's try it. This is the dulce de leche, which is basically chocolate milk or so. Cheesecake frap. Based on the picture, I must say. I hope it having coffee because on the image it looked like it had coffee. Jade is so boring. She wants that princess frap. And you know, say, I have a Jack Jade. So I'm going to put pan her cup. Jade loves Kim. I'm going to try it with her now. I hope it tastes good. Oh, it actually tastes like cheesecake. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is really, really nice. Got a double smoke croissant. I'm going to head to Jade now, so let's go. I end up going to Jade, but to us, she obsessed with me. I'm figure for video. For sure, I say, I reach at Jade. We're at the postal office. May I check how much package I need to send off? I think it's 4 or 5. I'm doing this thing where I always do, but no, it really hurt me when I hold up my urine. It's not cool, bruv. It's not cool. 3 packages to send to the postal office. So 2 turmeric. I have a next order with 40 soap, which can't hold in this. So you know that go up to a big bag. I have one next order for my Ashy or shoes.
When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drink. You ain't no fuck with no boss bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots. I burnt them out.
All done with packaging the orders that need to ship through the postal office. I'm going to go inside and get it done. It is 1:47. More reach home by 3 o'clock. I need a nap. I feel like I've just been going. I'm gonna feel my body up on the verge for a burnout. And I don't want to go into a burnout, I promise. A burnout right now would really and truly affect me. So I'm not going on burnout.
You got a 2-day trial before.
Just finished at the post office and I overcome anxiety. I don't know what happens to me. I actually have been shying away from vlogging in public. And if you know, that ain't me. So I got 2 girls in the store. And me just still pop up my phone and do my little video. Because I say at the end of the day, them girls probably don't even know me from a cane. A cane? A pin assault. A pinch assault. A pinch assault? I don't remember. What am I doing TikTok? So may I edit it. Are we gonna go to the gym today together? Today's upper body day and I love my upper body day. So I might take you guys to the gym for upper body. Yeah. Happy Friday, Bestie Boos. We are at the warehouse. We'll probably see like a little changes. But let me take you guys back to how we actually got here.
Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do it for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got no doubt. There's something about her. Yeah. I told my partner Leo, hit me when she come around, and I'ma tear that body up. Anytime she walk in, she tell.
When I say it's been roughly, I'd say the work starts a week now. And that is why I never upload early, like Tuesday early. Y'all are gonna see this on the weekend. Because I'm gonna tell you, say, it has been taking a lot of energy from me. My all day up to Labor Day. I've been a clocking like 8:30 every day for my business, excluding Sundays. But I'm gonna tell you something, I used to the Saturday, the holiday, holiday when everybody always like, but they shop with work, man. And that's what I have to do. I have to sacrifice, get the reward. So when everybody outside about, I'm inside because I promise you this summer I'm outside. I'm not supposed to tell them yesterday that I know something I'm gonna, but this is my child thing. Today we have some soaps to make. We have 22 mix up to make, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick.
What's your name? Can I get my grown man on one? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z.
I moved the table under the AC so that way it can dry a little bit faster because I low-key want to go to Knoxford before 12. It is currently 9:53. Working before 10. And if you don't know, Ash opens at 10. I've been here from 9. No, but that's like it grown, but that's like it sensible, but that's like a business owner energy. So I have them under the AC, I go and dry. Once they are dry, I'm gonna go ahead and shrink wrap them, and then we head to Knoxford to get them shipped out before 12 for sure. Cause I low-key want to get tasty chicken sandwich. and Mega got Angels and the Tasty there right around the road. You know what's funny, guys? The fact that I've now become a Spanish town person, like I know the place them are Spanish. I don't know them fully, you know. So don't tell me no way, but I already know them fully, you know. But like Angels, etc. Like even Greendale, that's the fun fact. My best friend lives at Greendale. I'm in a really good Greendale. But no about feels me all I learn about hardware in a Spanish town. Like me and mommy as always, and my mommy that is so crazy because I'm very anti-Spanish town. Me 6, 9, 10, 8 Spanish town. If Spanish town literally I give it all free, I will not live here. But the fact say me get more acquainted with it. And that is the thing, you know, you will have a plan and God does come soon. What that shit. But that's there and that's like go with the flow. I know that it will work out because the faith the size of a mustard seed. Magical and my faith right now bigger than a mustard seed. When I tell you something shop, it's not done yet. We'll be doing some places on Saturday, we should be in the It's coming along very well. It's coming along very well. My I'll buy door. See my door there? Yeah, it's coming along well.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci hippo take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nails I'm finna.
I would say the only con is that it doesn't have wheels, so I literally just lift it like this. I went ahead and packaged the orders off camera because I went ahead and packaged my orders off camera. But I was doing a little TikTok. But I said the stuff. So we're gonna head to Knoxford Express now. It's currently 11:30. Oh, I'm going before 12. Like, I don't know what is it with me at 12, but I just like to get things done before 12. It make me feel like say, maybe I accomplish something, you know? Yeah. We reach Knoxford. I'm gonna go ahead and send up these 3 packages to my customers in Montego Bay, St. Anne, and Portmore.
Come rewind me. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you love it.
Food is secure. We're gonna go back to the shop and have lunch together. Back at the shop, guys. I'm gonna know we get a chicken sandwich with some fries. Want to see them fries spots? You know, saying every taste you get the same fries. Then get the fat fries. I'm gonna find something on YouTube to watch. I was actually watching Chef B. Fun fact, Chef B is one of the reasons why I started YouTube. I'm gonna continue to watch her vlog and eat something.
Every night you make you mad up. Not only you give me love but make me nice up, nice up, nice up. I have to make you mine up. But I love you cause I know.
When you see how confidently say the trolley don't come with no wheel, why am I gonna shoot the bag and find the wheel them? I'm gonna put them on.
This is what me want, one from your jaw. Wind up your body, come me want you, baby, this is what me want you. My sip and a cocky, long till you bend like banana. Wind up.
To me, it makes sense as to how it is right now, and I'm just gonna put it in the corner here. You know, so when I make products, I just draw for what we need. I'm going to do a quick little cleaning because tomorrow my boyfriend going to come and paint. However, I'm not gonna vlog it. I'm gonna have the base on my tripod for having it up, and there's literally nothing here for holding it up. Over this, I can probably hold it up, but not for too long. I'm gonna tussle with me a little bit, but I'm so sorry. It's like after lunch, I'm gonna start the 2 little things. I'm gonna start locking on 606, but I'm gonna show y'all what I did though. This is how the section is looking. I finally went ahead and take these out the big garbage bag. I know eventually I have to go do some reshuffling because I want one whole shelf. So this is one shelf and I split it into I want one whole shelf to put all of these on. Raw ingredients, my apron to work in. These, eventually I'll put them to use, but so far only one in use. But this is how here is looking. Under here some more bottles, more jars, printing paper, things for like when I'm hosting class. I don't know the famous rack that we did. I'm not like, yes so. I'm gonna fix it up. I'm like it. I'm gonna OCD approve what I write this. So I'm feel like too much at the paper bag there right this so. Then we have the workstation here. Soap molds, everything to make soaps, things to pack orders. Hot with stove. I'm gonna go too in depth over this so I'm throwing some things. My extension cable, this to print labels. When I come tomorrow, I'm gonna cut up these. So yeah, that's the update with the space. But this is where I go ahead and close out the vlog. Yeah, alright. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Our secret emoji is gonna be paint. So we're paint the shop tomorrow. Don't forget to drop the paint emojis and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.